YouTube.
I'm Chaz.
And I'm Jay.
And we're back with another YouTube video.
And by the title, y'all see what's going on today? Bro, we are in a freaking snowstorm.
Snowstorm.
Let me take my glasses off so y'all can see me. We are in a snowstorm. Like, y'all know we in Houston. Houston never freaking snows. Like, maybe every 5-10 years. Houston never snows. Turn the camera, let them. Like, what? That is crazy.
It is really snowing. It's still snowing. Like,
yeah. I don't know. Like, we feeling like we should just go out there and, you know, get a taste of the snow. I really want to have a snowman contest.
I don't even know how to. I could try, but.
You try, you know, whatever.
Come on, let's try. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Who y'all are? Team Chaz or Team J? I better be Team Chaz. I told y'all about that.
J.
Told y'all about that.
Always Team J.
OMG. Look at this. I told you it was deep. Damn. And you want to put on some Crocs.
I got on work boots.
OMG. Yes, this is the grass.
Oh.
Look at the snow.
Let me see how I look. Pretty real snowman. What we gonna do?
Why do you have a banana?
Just for my nose.
She just be dry cheating. Oh my god, look at the snow.
What we gonna do?
This is so amazing. Huh?
What we gonna do? Okay, y'all, we're about to make a freaking snowman. So, y'all, don't forget, y'all are the judges, bro. Like, when y'all judge, it's always Team J. But let's get into this video, bro.
That's our problem right there.
Let's get into this video. Can't mess with me. Scoot over. I need all of the. Oh, I'm gonna scoot back so y'all can see me, bro. You know the grass is gone. Never made
Be quiet.
Snowman. Stop, Chassie. Come on, stop. I'm sorry.
It's so chilly.
Okay, you should have let me first.
Johnny, I can't do it.
Why? You just make a circle first. She cold. Go catch an ammonia. There you go. That's one. Shit. I'm sorry. Shit. I don't know about the snowman, y'all. Okay. Funny, bro. Hey. Come on, stop playing. Hey, doggy.
I can't do it.
You can't do it? Give up? Y'all, I think you should give it up. So what do you mean? Huh? So what do you mean? You won. Yeah, you won it. You won
Whatever, I give up. I give up.
Like, this is it. Tell her that is it, y'all. Like,
Come on. Oh, my banana.
girl.
You're too close. You gotta get high. You can't get it from that angle. Why is it hair on my snowman?
You wanna know what's crazy? Is they can see it though. I'm probably gonna hold you.
Let me see. Let me hold it. You ain't. Jay Snowman? Chaz Snowman. Jay Snowman? I know y'all really can't see the build because, like, you can't see the build because, like, it's all snow. But just know this is my snowman and this is Chaz Snowman. So, I tried. It didn't work. So, gang, just... Really? I always want to try, but my hands freezing.
That's what we can is to pack it in something. Like, pack it in that and then turn it over and then form it.
See, I knew we needed some extra,
Extra
tools.
See you later.
Okay, gang, so I think I won. Y'all see my snowman back there?
Girl.
Yeah.
I guess you won. Y'all could give it to her because my hands was cold.
Yeah.
You're insane.
Alright. Alright, y'all. So, that's our snowman. And that's all we
y'all
got.
getting right now.
Peace out.
And we back. Okay, y'all. It was cold out there, but y'all know what time it is. We hungry.
We're hungry. So, we are about to make some pancakes. Check them out. Bacon. some cookies. You know, like it's snowing, it was freezing outside. We said we was gonna make some cookies, but you can't just go straight to cookies early morning. You gotta eat some breakfast. And we're off of work. It's time to celebrate. Like
We work.
we would have had work today and tomorrow.
And tomorrow. You are. I don't know about me.
I'm off of work and school today and tomorrow. What's a better way to celebrate?
We outside. Nah, I'm just
With
saying.
pancakes. We stuck in the house. We can't go nowhere. Y'all, they said do not leave the house. Do not drive your car. None of that. So,
Don't drive your car.
yeah. So y'all come with us and we're about to make some pancakes.
Period.
Be naughty. I'll be naughty. On the low. I'm hungry, y'all.
Like, tell her calm down.
I'm hungry.
Okay, give me the butter.
Oh, I forgot something.
Bro.
Let y'all come see. What you want me to do? Make this first, huh?
Yeah, but go ahead and make the bacon.
Oh. I didn't want to do no work.
Girl, make that bacon.
I just wanted to eat. I didn't want to have to cook. I just wanted to eat. Yeah. We gonna put
You dramatic.
oh, for real.
You're not even my nigga part. Like, that's the easiest part.
What?
The bacon.
The bacon is the easiest part? That what you said?
Yeah.
I don't think so. She said the bacon is the easiest part, y'all. We gon' I about to say we gonna see, but no, it actually is. You wanna get a knife? Get a knife. Hey y'all. I'm at the mouth. That's good enough? I'm feeling a ball on it. Project Diddy. I don't never know how to open bacon, like.
It's just
I want 5 pancakes.
No, you do not. You get it 2.
What?
Don't be playing.
I done broke the bacon. Look how I open this box.
I done broke the bacon.
Look how I open this box. Where is the stuff at, man? We've been a ball on it. Or 3. I'll do 3. Because I think I want more eggs.
Yeah.
I'm an egg. I like eggs.
Girl, no, you do not.
No, I'm saying
I'm an egg girl.
I didn't mean to say no. I'm saying with pancakes and stuff. Out of eggs and like eggs and bacon, I like eggs more with pancakes. Not like in the top.
Y'all, she was just about to tell y'all, I'm an egg girl.
I was gonna say girl.
She's not an egg girl.
I was gonna say an egg person, but I'm not. I'm really not. But I'm saying like when it comes to like pancakes, I want pancakes and eggs. Tacos and stuff, like it's fine. But when it's time for pancakes, y'all know what I'm trying to say.
No, y'all don't. Y'all actually confused. I know.
They're not
I know.
confused. They're not confused. Y'all.
Tell me we're gonna come back to them when we halfway.
Come back to y'all when the food is done.
Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I got lazy. So, the last pancake is huge, okay?
It's a huge pancake.
Then I told Jay to go ahead and whip up some potatoes.
Yeah, potatoes and eggs. You feel me? We got the bacon right here though, and then the eggs are coming.
They're
It's coming,
coming.
guys. So
Look at the pancakes. Look at that buttery, juicy, yeah.
buttery juicy, yeah.
Yeah.
So with that being said, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment,
And subscribe.
and join the gang because we posting bangers after bangers after bangers. And 2025 is our year, man. So we're being consistent and we're gonna be posting these videos and these bangers for y'all.
We got y'all.
So peace out, gang.